Aren't they so cute? Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Katie. If this is your first time visiting the Little Z Farm channel, thanks for stopping by. I hope you'll consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you get notified of all the latest happenings here at the farm and more videos like this one. Today, I'm talking about sweet potatoes. It is the holiday season right now and we are indulging in all of our favorite foods. I love this time of year. I love to cook. I love to share food with friends and family, and it's just a really exciting time here. That being said, when the season is over, I'm like ready for a food break. But you still gotta eat. Over the weekend, I thought it might be nice for Eric and I to just have a little brunch and kind of take it easy with a little bit lighter foods, you know, after our kind of indulgent time over the holidays. And something I know that we're going to be making are sweet potato waffles. So I made sweet potato waffles for the first time a couple of years ago, and I'm not actually a huge sweet potato fan. It's funny because every time I make a video, I'm like, I'm not a huge fan of this. But sweet potato waffles are my jam because they can be made into kind of a sweet sort of dish, or you can go the savory side. We will definitely take the savory route this weekend, and I am going to show you how to make this really quick, really simple sweet potato waffle that can kind of serve as a vessel for anything you want. Sweet potato, check. And making sweet potato waffles is something that can be really nice to do around the holidays because you might have leftover sweet potatoes from the dishes that you were already making. I'm using sweet potato, egg, and walnuts are like the three ingredients of the sweet potato, and those are all things that I have more of around the holiday season. This can be completely delicious any time of year, of course. So you're gonna wanna take a cooked sweet potato. If you already have cooked sweet potatoes from the holidays, then great. I'm just gonna bake my potato for an hour at 400 degrees. Okay, so I have my one sweet potato. It is already mashed. Don't you just love the color of sweet potato? It's kind of amazing that that color is natural. Pretty beautiful. I just have this roughly mashed. I'm not concerned about texture here. I want a little bit of texture in this waffle, so you don't need to go through a food processor or anything like that. Okay, so I have my roughly mashed sweet potato here. I am going to add 1 egg. I'm gonna get those two ingredients combined. And while I'm finishing this up, because literally this took no time, as you see, I'm gonna get the waffle iron going. So I do not have a fancy waffle iron, and you don't need one. So I'm gonna turn my waffle iron to like medium-high heat, closer to the high end. If you have a waffle iron that you can actually see the temperature on or determine the temperature on, you know, you're looking at that 400 degrees, 425. So let me finish getting this mixed up. I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts. And like I said, this is what I had on hand. You could use pecans, you could use any sort of nut if you're wanting that extra texture and flavor. I like it, we're gonna use it. I just roughly chopped these using the back of the spoon. This is no fuss sweet potato waffle. You do you. So I'm gonna take this 1/4 cup, roughly chopped walnuts, toss them in, combine them into my mixture there. So here's where you can kind of go a million different directions. I am going to season this with salt, a little bit of pepper, and actually a little bit of cayenne. I'm gonna be serving this with sauteed spinach and an egg on top. If we were going another savory route, I have served this with asparagus and poached egg before. Super delicious, no matter what. This sweet potato waffle is gonna be a great vessel for you. If you wanna go the sweet route, I highly suggest like cinnamon and nutmeg, a little bit of vanilla. Use that with some like toasted pecans and fresh whipped cream. So good. No matter what, don't forget to add some salt. A little dash of cayenne. And now I'm ready to get this into the waffle iron. I am going to spray down my waffle iron with some olive oil. And then I'm going to do about a 1/4 cup of the mixture on either side here. to make them a little bit of smaller size. You can serve them with things on top of them. You can also use them for dipping. I mean, this is just a very versatile, you know, base for a meal or a snack or anything like that. I'm gonna let these go until my little light turns green. But if you need to check, you know, when you open this up, the top should be a little bit crusty. They should be browned. I don't like the word crusty, but what's the other word? And this is gonna make about, you know, 4 small waffles, which is what's going to be perfect for me and my husband, Eric. You know, it's very easy to just double this and have more waffles for more people. Oh, smells so good. Aren't they so cute? So simple, so easy. It's gonna be great with that sauteed spinach. Of course, you could plop some bacon on here. I'm gonna do a fried egg on top. Could do a poached egg, whatever. Your waffle, your choice. I really love the crunch of the nut in these. And this isn't like extreme flavors. Like I could dress this up in a sweet way as well. And I'm really wanting like candied walnuts on this right now, which goes against the whole like health part of me that I was trying to tap into for this post-holiday season. But you know, it is what it is. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you all soon. See you later.